Sorry, Chase. Kind of.
Still burnout in the white Hellcat?
Yeah.
I didn't see his face. I could just see somebody sitting there.
Every day ain't nothing like that single fire, bitch. We got ARPs, we got K's, we got Go through the traffic in the straight. Bitch, fuck out our way. Shiesty man, so they can't see our face. When we eat their face, told the driver to this bitch D-cock, don't let off them brakes.
You can't send an officer out?
No, what you say?
Griffin, this is why I didn't want to fucking do this shit. That bitch was cool.
No.
I don't even know if it is.
Hop out throwing at you out of nowhere, nigga think fast.
Right there. Shut the fuck up. Get out.
Hold on. No, there's cops right here, bro. Oh, fuck. Fuck, you get him?
We got his ass, boy.
We fucking got him.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah, big red key. Alright, guys. All jokes aside, our plan, we are stealing Chase's Hellcat from him tomorrow. I'm anticipating him crying, but we're about to have probably the best video on the channel today. So what our plan is tomorrow, we just literally left Chase's house while he was gone, found his spare keys that were in his drawer, gave Chase the idea that we're already doing a video tomorrow, so it's not suspicious that we have the camera out eating and stuff. So he thinks we're going to be doing some social experiment downtown tomorrow. We're going to ask like girls if they'd rather have a Hellcat or a Trackhawk. So he thinks that we're already going downtown purposely to shoot a video. So the camera stuff's not going to be any type of like weird thing to him where he's like, what's going on here? He's got some fucking wheel spinning in his head. Not that we give him this credit that he's smart enough to think that way, but just in case he is. So we got a bunch of characters already taking place in this. So we have my buddy RJ. He's going to be the one taking the car. I'm going to give him these keys tomorrow morning before we meet up. And then my buddy Spencer is going to be going with RJ. That's what the ski masks are for. They're going to be putting these on before they go run and jump in the cat. Chase's girlfriend, Cheyenne, I know you're probably watching this. She likes to control the situation. She's going to want to call the police immediately. What I did was, to avoid this, I'm going to have my phone ready to dial 911. My phone, I made my friend Caitlin's name in my phone 911. Literally, when I call her, it's going to say 911. So it looks like I'm already calling 911. I sent her a script from ChatGPT of a 911 operator for a stolen car. So she has everything laid out. The second I call her, she's going to be answering, acting as if she's the operator. St. Louis has like a thing where if it's like not a violent crime, the police won't come. So I told her what she needs to say is, since it is a non-violent crime, we're not going to send an officer out, but if you want to come to the police station to make a report, you can come in now. What we're going to have RJ and Spencer do, when the car is stolen, they are going straight to the police department.
Oh shit, what station at?
To park the car there. So when we go to the police department to file the report, Chase is going to realize it's a fucking prank and that the car's there. Let's see if Caitlin's still trained well. So here's what it looks like when you call her. It literally looks like I'm dialing 911, but that's just her name and the contact. Great police. Anyway, guys, Caitlin is clearly useless. Let's hope she's not useless tomorrow. So, other than that, we are about to clock out for the night and then get everything prepared for tomorrow. And we will catch you guys at the stolen car scene. Oh my God, speak of the devil. I was about to tell you a story about this motherfucker. What's up, pussy? What do you want? We're gonna do this vlog at like 1 or 2. We're already starting. What? What are you tweaking about?
Fucking some stupid bitch trying to rob me of my car.
You think someone's gonna rob you of your car?
I don't know.
While it's right in front of us.
I don't know.
During the day. No. Look at this guy filming me. Oh, it's funny. Yeah. He goes, I'm not doing it. He goes, it's gonna get stolen there. I go, bro, we're gonna be right in front of it. Nothing's gonna happen. You're fine. So he's already thinking about this bitch getting stolen before we've even done anything. All right, pulling up to the striker crib.
That looks like Spencer's girlfriend's car.
Special delivery.
Boy, this one's like gonna kill me.
It's go time, baby. Alright guys, the keys have been dropped off. The Hellcat's about to be a striker for its second time in its life, so let's get to it. Alright guys, this might be their last day together.
Nah, I'm just kidding. Baby, but you taking a little short hiatus, brother.
Alright guys, it's vlog day. What the hell, chap? Is not even... What's up with this rave going on under there? Breaching, flashbang. Boom! Hellcats and Trackhawks. We got Timmy on the turn up finna blast off. Be hawking this guy down to blow that thing up. Wow, that is so gay. Oh my god. I was
Phone him. It's an SRT.
It's 5 minutes out from Chase's worst day ever. That's gonna be fine, but it's gonna be horrible for him for about 10 minutes. How funny it'd be if we are going to set this all up. Dominique and Spencer are getting ready to steal it, and then someone else literally just steals it right before them. Let's hope that doesn't happen, because then I can't control it. Sorry, Chase. Kind of. Dylan just missed. Ooh. All the action of us fucking getting buck wild. Yeah! Phone, I'm getting buck. Look at this fucking idiot. Look at this.
You're like, what the hell, bro?
Alright, we're here.
Oyster Bar.
On green!
Nope, they didn't want to do it.
They didn't want none of the Trackhawk.
At the Oyster Bar, dude. What do you think, dude?
Paper route.
You ready to eat some gator bites, dude?
Yep. We're popping Chase's Oyster Bar cherry today, okay?
Oyster Bar cherry? You been here?
Alright, let's go.
Dylan?
Dude, these look fire down here, boy. Look at these mugs.
They got wings. We're good. Let's go. Chase, I found your parking spot.
Alright guys, today we're going to find out once and for all, do females prefer a Hellcat or do they prefer a Trackhawk? What do you think?
I'm in.
We doing it.
Red key.
No, cars get stolen every day in STL. About to be another one.
Dog walk that
Bye, Tracy. I ain't your captain now. We on track now.
Yes, sir.
That's not it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
There's no way.
That was a scat. I didn't know why.
You didn't hear the blower. Yeah.
What are the odds? What are the odds? It looks just
Dude, that
like.
just made my heart sink. I literally thought that was Jay.
Well, let me get up, bro. Let me get up.
Yes, it is. Oh my god. Here, hold on. Is it really not?
Oh shit.
Hey, 1 second. Here. Oh no. Here, Jay. Jay.
The fuck is that?
Look, come here. Come here.
Hello?
Come here. Hey, here. Someone just stole my car. Here, get in here. Oh, get in the front. Get in the front. Get in the front. Let Chase get in the front. Oh, hey, everybody pile in. Pile in.
it in the
You just
last.
saw
At Broadway Oyster Bar.
Gonna do a burnout in the white Hellcat?
Yeah.
I didn't see his face. I could just see somebody sitting there.
Big shiesty.
You shiesty.
Alright, thank you.
We're riding deep.
Oh, fuck.
Griffin, go. Just take off. Go find him.
You're not on speaker.
Location was Broadway Oyster Bar.
Okay, did you get a description of the suspects?
No. What did they say?
I asked him what he looked like. He said he didn't know what he looked like, but they did a burnout and left.
Did you get a description of where they left after they sold the vehicle?
No.
They went. Where? Which way is this?
Hold on, do we need a cop to come to us or what?
Do we
They're
need
like
a cop
towards the
to
river.
come?
Towards the river road.
Towards River Road. Huh?
Do you have the license plate number of the vehicle?
It's not
No,
a license
I
plate.
just
it says
bought it.
QLS. It says
Cheyenne, you're not on the fucking phone. Let's just talk.
It says QLS, the Texas plate.
Okay, thank you. Since it's a non-violent
What'd you say? What'd you say?
You can't send an officer out?
No, what'd you say?
No, because it's not violent. You have to come to the police station and make a report. I can't dispatch an officer.
What's the address?
What's the address?
Give me a phone.
Dude, I fucking knew it.
Oh, is it, hey, hold on, is it the police station that's by the, City Museum?
Just hang the phone. Tell him we'll be there in a minute.
Okay, we're coming there now, thank you.
Probably a bad time, but this makes one hell of a vlog, boys.
Oh my god, are you filming?
Yeah.
Griffin, this is why I didn't want to fucking do this shit.
We're gonna find it.
What, were you talking about
Which way
it before
did
you
he go?
left?
Did
He went that way.
He went straight from the Oyster Bar.
How the fuck did he start it?
I know, that's kind of crazy, though. What the fuck? How did he start it?
Is your second phone in there with the tracker?
No, it's not.
Where's that at?
It's in my pocket.
Hold on, the police station's the one that's right next to the fucking City Museum. Why is my phone on Wi-Fi?
I'm sure.
Me too.
Oh wait, tell me to go left.
Hey, keep your windows down and look, because they're going to be fucking... Looking like that, dude. Looking at
Bro.
this. Bro, they can't be fun.
No, hold on. There's a white Hellcat downtown. No one's gonna... We're gonna find it.
How are those people all there and they just took it?
They go, yeah, we just watched them dudes get in it and do a burnout and drive away. Literally.
That's what the guy said?
Yes.
Were you filming him?
Yeah.
I need to call my insurance?
No, not yet. When they do that, do not do that yet. How many people do we have in here? Holy fuck.
Too many.
Then you got your gun out.
7. Huh?
Do you have your gun?
Oh, yeah, I got my gun. Shine, did you have anything in the car?
I don't think so. Just my water and my fucking soda.
I couldn't even believe this. Right. Now it's not the time to joke, but worse comes to worse. Jake's about to get a $75,000 payday.
Maybe it's a blessing in disguise, Chase.
Bro, I swear to God, when I went by, I go, that literally looks like Chase's. I go,
It was. I knew it was his because I saw the fucking license plate, and that's why I said that's Chase's.
I didn't even hear the supercharger or nothing.
It's like,
I literally thought it was a scat pack.
Well, I had so much anxiety coming down here today, and this is why.
Bro, this is why I did not want to fucking go, bro.
Stomach hurts.
Oh, your stomach hurts?
Can't believe that dude was right there.
They were all right there.
Literally.
What did he say again? What did the guy say that
He
was...
said he just saw like a white Hellcat or whatever doing a burnout and left.
No, he goes, yeah, we just saw 2 dudes hop in it, do a burnout and leave.
So it was those two guys and the white shirts, and I know exactly what they look like. I can give a perfect description of both of them.
We don't
Do
know.
they have to have those keys on them? Like ready to clone, because that's how they do it, is they clone the key fob. All they do is unfold this, and there's a plug-in. Tells you what the key fob number is, you type it into the new one, and it's your key.
This won't work anymore?
No, it'll work, but they just have the same, it's like any of your other keys.
Is that one, so it thinks it's the right key.
I literally hate St. Louis. Not right up here. I knew this was gonna happen. You just park right here.
We just wanted to do not enter. It said police vehicles only back here.
Does anybody have a warrant?
And park somewhere so
Oh, shit! Bro!
right there.
Shut the fuck up.
Get out. Go.
Hold on. No, don't. There's cops right here, bro.
I'm not.
No fucking way. It's already.
Is that it?
Yes.
Are you sure it's
Yes.
not the
No,
same
it's
one?
mine. It's mine.
Are you, I don't.
Dude, it's mine.
Hold on, chill out. We're at a police station. This is the best spot for this to happen.
Pull up, pull up.
Pull up and block him in.
It's mine.
Okay.
Are they in it?
That is not funny. You guys, I'm shaking so bad. You're an asshole! Oh my god! You fuckers got the fucking spare key, didn't you?
You alright, bro?
Hey guys. Hey, this is why you get IGLA in your car. We're gonna get chases in next weekend. He's never gonna have to worry about that.
They just pulled the world's best prank.
Oh my god.
Chase, how you feeling right now, bro?
I about bolted my fucking gun out. You alright, bro?
Hey, this is why you get IGLA in your car. We're gonna get chases in next weekend. He's never gonna have to worry about that.
They just pulled the world's best prank.
Oh my god.
What you doing, brother?
Whoop his ass.
He called me this morning. It was like, hey, we're doing this.
Are you shaking so bad, bro?
Oh, look how red he is.
You shaking a little, dude? Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands real quick. Oh boy, he's shaking, brother.
So just so you know why everyone think you're freaking out.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, we're leaving right now. Okay. Appreciate it.
No, and this guy gave a full description. He was like, well,
Hey,
I
that
don't
was
know what they
perfect.
look like, but
Yeah.
By the way, you know how
we
we were calling 911?
Everybody asked
It was Caitlin. I gave her a 911.
He's like, where's my Hellcat? Who stole it? And the bartender's like, and just kept working.
Alright.
Oh my god.
I'll ride with you, man.
Sorry, Chase. We had to do it to you, brother.
That shit was fun. Let's go steal another one.
Guys,
Here.
that
You
could
get
not have
the bag of
gone
chases,
better.
'cause
That was so good.
Dude, this is gonna be my best video.
He's like, that's mine!
Hey, what are you doing? You fucking...